Good morning students, welcome to the science class. Today we'll start chapter 30, Fun with Magnet. You might have seen magnet and have even enjoyed playing with them. Have you seen stickers that remains attached to the iron surface like your refrigerator or doors or almiras? If you see a pin holder also, the pin seems to be sticking to the holder. In some pencil boxes also which you carry to school, the lid fits tightly when we close it even without a locking arrangement. Such stickers, pen holder, pencil boxes have magnet fitted inside it. If you have any one of these items, try to locate, find out where the magnet is hidden inside it. Now, let's start understanding how magnets were discovered. It is said that there was a shepherd named Magnus who lived in ancient Crete. He used to take his herds of sheep and goats to a mountain for grazing. He would take a stake with him to just control the herds so that they don't run away here and there. The stick had a small piece of iron attached to one end. One day he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from the rock on the mountain, as it is seen in the figure 13.3. It seemed as if the stick was being attracted to the rock. The rock was a natural magnet and it attracted the iron tip of the shepherd's stick. It is said that this is how the natural magnet was discovered. Such rock were given the name magnetite, perhaps after the name of the shepherd. Magnetite contained iron. Some people believe that magnetite was first discovered at a place called Magnesia, the substance having the property of attracting iron and now are known as magnets. This is how the story goes. Now, in any case, people have discovered that certain rocks have properties of attracting pieces of iron towards themselves. They also found that the small pieces of rocks have some special properties. They name these natural occurring material called magnets. Later on, the process of making magnet from pieces of iron was discovered. Initially natural magnets were there, then people started making the own magnet, artificial magnet. Nowadays what happens is artificial magnets are prepared in different shapes. You must have these magnets with you. One is that bar magnet, this is a straight magnet, then you have a cylinder shaped magnet, ball type magnet and a U-shaped magnet. Now let's understand it with the help of the activity, how the property of a magnet to attract it. Take a piece of paper cup, fix it to the stand with the help of a clamp. Now just cover the cup with the paper so that nobody can see the magnet. Now do one thing, take a clip made of iron and fix it to the other end of the base with a thread, and thread's length should be in such a way that it is shorter and it does not touch the cup from bottom. Now what will the clip is raised in air without support like a kite. This is how it shows that the magnet has a property of attracting. Now what are magnetic and non-magnetic material? Let us discuss this with the help of a activity again. Now in the case, earlier case, the shepherd was carrying a stake on which the iron piece was attached. Now we will do the reverse. Let's take one stake, maybe a hockey, maybe your wicket stump, maybe a stick, simple stake, and to it don't attach iron piece to it, we will attach a magnet to it. Now when we are attaching a magnet, then you go out. Right now you are not going in school, you can go out anywhere at home and try to touch different material with it. You will find that some materials are getting attracted towards it and some are not getting attracted towards it. We understand that magnet attracts certain material whereas some do not get attracted towards magnet. The material which get attracted towards the magnet are called magnetic materials. For example, iron, nickel and cobalt are magnetic material. The material which are not attracted towards the magnet are non-magnetic material. So, can you name any of the non-magnetic material? You can say a plastic water bottle or a plastic your box, pencil box is there, your school bag is there. They are non-magnetic. But I will ask you to do one thing at home. Try and make a table which is shown in your book, table 13.1, and try to write down the material which get attracted and which were not getting attracted towards it. Now let's understand another way of understanding the what are magnetic material and non-magnetic material with the help of an activity. Rub a magnet. You have a magnet in a sand or a soil. Now you are rubbing it in a sand or a soil. Pull out the magnet. You will find that there are some sand particles which are sticking to the magnet, whereas others gently, if you gently shake it, you will find it is the particles get removed. There are some pieces of sand that are attached to the magnet. What are these? These particles. These particles may be some kind of a magnet with iron filling sticking to it. If you fill the table and send it to, just try to fill it up and see what are the materials that are getting. You can see it, name the place where you are doing it, and did you find any iron filling sticking to the magnet. Now you can do it. You can see is that there are many iron fillings at different locations. You try to do it at some one place, then other place and other place. Do you find that there are many particles that are attracted towards it, are sticking to it? Are there very few or are there none? Just write it down so that we can understand that yes, magnet has the property of attracting iron or magnetic material towards it. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.